everyone and welcome back to my channel, Qatar Detailed. As you all know, the main aim of this channel is to guide all the medical professionals and the skilled professionals who would like to consider other countries as option to work and acquire education from, immigrate to, etc. So today, after your numerous requests on Instagram regarding Qatar, I bring you a detailed guide on how to work as a dentist in Qatar. With that, there's an important message at the end of the video, so stay tuned till the end. So today I bring you the detailed guide on how to work as a foreign dentist in Qatar. Step 1. Check basic eligibility. To eventually practice dentistry in Qatar, you generally need a Bachelor's of Dental Surgery, BDS, DDS, DMD or equivalent, completion of the clinical internship as a part of your degree, and minimum clinical experience, usually 2 years post-internship for foreign dentists to sit for the license exam. Step 2. Gather all the official documents for verification. The documents are your dental degree and your official transcripts, the internship and work experience, dental registration from your country. For example, I'll give an example. If you're from Pakistan, so you need it from the PMDC, your passport copy, certificate of good standing from your home country, and photos, CV, and other personal documents. Step 3. Primary source verification, PSV via data flow. Now, before the Qatar Licensing Authority will consider your application, your qualifications and experience must be verified through an official primary source verification, which is called the data flow group. Now, this means Dataflow contacts your university and licensing body to confirm authenticity. You upload all certificates and degrees to Dataflow's portal, and once completed and approved, you get Dataflow PSV report, mandatory for licensing. Now, after the verification is done, comes the step 4, which is the Qatar Dental License Exam. So it's conducted electronically via Prometric, and we have talked about this before. Mostly multiple choice questions are 150 and it's 3.5 hours duration. We have to pass above 60% and focuses on clinical dentistry knowledge relevant to Qatar practice. Step 5, secure a job offer. This is usually required. Now, this step is a little different when it comes to the other countries. So for many parts of Qatar registration process, especially evaluation and final licensing, you typically need a job offer from a Qatari employer in a clinic or in a hospital, and the employer will sponsor your application in the Department of Healthcare Professionals, DHP portal, and help upload the documents and submit your licensing registration request. So as you can see, in other countries, we usually get the license and after that we need to apply for a job. But in Qatar, it's pretty different and it's a little complicated as well because you need a job before the final evaluation and the final licensing. So you can take the exam without the job, and even if you pass the exam, you still need a job in order to move there and apply for the license. Now, step 6, apply for preliminary evaluation. Now, once you have your data flow verification and the employer support, you log into the DHP online, you submit an evaluation request for your credentials, you upload all the documents, and you pay an application fees. So this is evaluation. So it confirms whether you qualify as a dentist in theory. So after your evaluation, either they give you a temporary license if your experience is not enough, and if it is enough, then they give you a permanent license. So there are two types of license, temporary and supervised, or a permanent license. So that depends upon your experience level. So after your temporary license, when you have done the training or the internship, now you can apply for the full dental license as well. So you have to apply for the full general dental license through the DHP portal, and you have to submit your medical report and blood test, police clearance, data flow report, CPR certificate, employer facility documents, and a good standing certificate. Now, coming to the last step, work visa and residency permit. So to physically work in Qatar, you must hold a Qatar work visa that we talked about before, sponsored by your employer, or a Qatar ID and resident permit. Now, your employer or sponsor handles these steps with the Ministry of Interior once your license is processing. I feel that the process of working as a dentist in Qatar is actually more complicated in comparison to Europe. However, I have brought to you a simplified version right now here as a flow chart, so it's easier to understand. So first the eligibility, then data flow, then exam, then secure a job, then the license, then visa and work. So that's how it works. Alright, that will be all for this video, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed the video and it was helpful. Now let's talk about the announcement. You all know that I also have an Instagram account by the name of Qatar Detailed DK other than this YouTube channel. On that account, I just don't talk about how to work as a dentist in certain countries, but I also talk about immigration, education opportunities, golden visas, and all sorts of other opportunities through which you can come to Europe or move to other countries. So my humble request, do kindly follow my Instagram, ladies and gentlemen. And the most important part is, if you send me a DM there of any inquiry, all consultations are absolutely free of cost on DMs on Instagram. So grab your chance to get free consultation and let's continue on Instagram.